Kumba julong man ka snem ka Donbosco Youth Center haka jingialam jong Rev Fr Michael Makri, Director DBYC, kalayo ban pynlong ya ka concert haka tarik Risaw hajar pusaw ha phyllaw jong kani hi ka shlem. Haka ni ka concert ki Khynnah vocal jong ka DBYC kila pynsawa ya ki sur kiba bang bat thiang kibala Pynshongshit ya baroh kibala poi syakani ka concert. Ka jingthmu jong kani ka concert ka long ban kyntiew ya ka sap rwai jong ki Khynnah kumjuh ru ban pynslur ya ki ban yeng haransan. Hakani ka janmit Rev Fr John Zosiama, Provincial Shillong Province, ulawan ban poi syakani ka concert bat haba ai jingkran ulaong ka yeng klem ka rwai ka siaw ka long kum kamet klem ka mensim.
Good evening, dear Father Michael Makri, Fr Ritonbor, and Fr Saji, Fr Sylvester, Fr Tiewbor, and all dear fathers, sisters. I cannot see you very clearly, and my dear friends, and all the vocal students, those who are performing very well. So good evening. I'm very glad to be in your midst this evening. This is the first time that I think I am present for this vocal students concert. So Father Michael Makri, with his initiative and creative way, has initiated so many new programs in Donbosco Youth Center. So as he said in the beginning, Father Chili has started this youth center for the young people and for various training programs and also guiding them and having animation program for them. For so many years it was going on. Then after that, Father Michael introduced so many other things, and also this Donbosco Media Network, and also the TV channel, and so many other things he has introduced. So I must congratulate him and his team, and also congratulations all those who have come to participate in this concert of the vocal students. And the students, those who have already passed out, those who have come to encourage also, and also our neighboring these communities, and also relatives and friends. Thank you very much for your presence. So music is a very important part of our life. It is like the soul. It is the soul of our body. And Don Bosco used to say, a Salesian house without music is a body without soul. So music has become part and parcel of our life, and especially for us, especially Salesians. And so we have so many occasions that we can expose our talents and singing, maybe during the prayer, maybe during some of the programs. And so we want to continue to promote this music, and especially young people who have so many talents. In Northeast India, as I have seen, we are very talented, especially in music and singing. We have very good voices, but very often our young people do not have this kind of a platform to also to show their talents and also to develop their talents. And so in one way, this Don Bosco Youth Center is promoting and giving opportunity for our young people to develop their talents and also to go ahead in life. And so that is, I must congratulate once again. This is a beautiful occasion for all of us as we come together, and as we are witnessing also, so many of you has beautiful talents, beautiful voices. We are not able to judge who is the best and who is better and who is not better. It is very difficult for us. All of you are good, very good voices. I hope you will continue to develop your talents, what is God has given you, this one, and to continue to develop and use it to praise God, and also to entertain people and to give also people joy, happiness as you are singing. So I wish you all the best in your future too. Continue to develop your talents and have a beautiful evening, and may God bless you all. Thank you very much for this invitation. Wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Nalor u provincial kiba donlang hakani kasngi ki kentup yu Rev Fr Genesius Wanniang ikonma, Rev Fr Saji Stephan, Rev Fr Anthony Kharkongor, Rev Fr Tiewbor Kharsyntiew, Rev Fr Sylvester Synrem, Rev Fr Michael Makri, Rev Fr Ritonbor Kharkongor, ki sister na St Mary's Convent, but root na kiwe ki ying riunyam, ki kimi ki kpa jong ki Khynnah vocal, but kiwe de.
She leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with a search of that well-known sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering the world, that whenever I can share the laughter, that funny little girl, slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on going, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sleep in our eyes, her and me at the breakfast table.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes and take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no,